Good morning, folks. Instagram, eventually on YouTube. I sorry about that. Got that mixed up with Facebook, and I'm not on Facebook right now. Okay, it's a rainy morning. Yep. So normally me and Brock take walks around the complex, you know, but it's a rainy day, so we're following a rainy day schedule. All right. So I doubt it'll be all day rain, but it'll stop, then it'll start again. So they have a hole somewhere around here, you know. But but technically, you know, that hole probably is still full of water since it's been raining a lot, you know. The city never fixed things up too much, you know. Yeah. All right. All right then. So it's another day, another dollar, another nickel, another penny. Well, I should say another day, another penny. Oh well, what the heck. All right. So